Good morning. We've made it to the part of Northern Thailand that Gokche and I have been most excited about. So many people told us this is a can't miss spot, Chiang Mai. And we're gonna start off our time here in Chiang Mai in a very cool and interesting way. We're gonna go to a cooking class and learn how to cook some Northern Thai food. Can't wait for that. And Gokche, of course, couldn't help herself but to turn this into a competition. So we're gonna find out actually who the best cook. We're gonna judge each other. And we're also gonna have the lovely family at the cooking class judge our own food. So they're here waiting for us to pick us up right now. So our first stop on our cooking class is to the actual local market here in Chiang Mai to pick out exactly what we're going to be cooking with. So really cool opportunity to see exactly what's going into our food in a way that you wouldn't if you just went to one of those food stalls. Egg is actually right now giving Gokche a whole tour of the vegetables that we're gonna be putting into our foods.
Me and my basket are ready and we're gonna continue shopping. He said we're gonna get some coconut milk and then after we're gonna head over. Oh my god, people are here so friendly. Let me try this. This is with the green onion, right? Okay. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Come find her. She's amazing. Wow. Honestly, this has been one of my favorite days in Thailand so far already because our dream was hanging out with a local and this is really happening. Welcome to RMD Cooking School. I think orange will work better for me with my skirt. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I'm going to not only eat one of my favorite cuisines in the entire world, but also gonna learn how to make it. I got the eggs. I got the whole plate. Alright, now I'm going to my area.
So now you can put the wok on. After that, cooking oil, soybean, 1.5. Let it sit there all the time and don't let everything stick to the wok.
Romantic moments for me. Seeing Steve cook, and he's nailing it. Alright, chicken now. Chicken, hang on.
Yeah, because take a water 4 spoons.
Here.
All
Together. Now water is boiling. Noodles in. Thank you so much for your patience with us. Very sorry, we're not great chefs. Steve, you're doing a great job.
Of course I am.
Wow. And I'm gonna put the sauce only on the noodles. Okay. Ooh, look at Steve's big noodles. What are you making, Chef Steve?
Drunken noodles with chicken and a whole host of delicious vegetables and I'm done.
And this smells phenomenal. Can't believe I made pad thai. Probably it doesn't taste so good.
Enjoy eating and
We'll cook more.
Yeah.
Alright, our first dish is ready. We cooked. Steve actually did a really good job. I'm very impressed. But I can't wait to eat this because, again, pad thai is one of my favorites and they brought some lime and peanuts and some more hot sauce. So I'm gonna start digging in because this food gets cold very quickly. So let's eat. I'm gonna try the Thai food I made. I can't believe I'm saying this. I made this Thai food and I'm trying this. Wow. It tastes really good. Very close, for which I'm very proud. Try and rate your wife.
Okay, Chef Gokche, let's see what you got. Get some chicken. Yeah, not the worst. But the noodles actually taste pretty good.
So you like it?
Yeah.
What do you
good
rate
job.
me, Master Chef, out of 10?
I'll give you a good 7.5 out of 10. These are the drunken noodles, which I kind of got all stuck together, but oops.
I don't remember if we had this food before, so I don't know if I can make the comparison, but I'm gonna try your dish, Steve. I like it. I took a little bit of everything. I think that's why it also tastes really good. And I would rate you 7. And now the chef is trying my pad thai. Steve rated me 7.5, and I'm curious what you're gonna say. Out of 10.
No pressure.
No pressure, no pressure.
Okay.
Be honest. You want honesty.
Enough sour enough. 10 out of 10.
Really? Tell us.
You take some ginger,
Yeah,
beans, noodles.
that's Steve's food. Be honest.
Very nice. Yeah, 10.
10?
10.
No. Tell the truth.
This round you draw.
Up next, I'm gonna make my favorite Thai food, and if you're wondering what it is, then you have to continue watching. Okay.
Tom yum chicken, coconut chicken.
Okay.
Alright.
I love spicy food and I love tom yum soup, so Yes, I'm gonna be making tom yum soup, and that's my favorite Thai food.
Big piece. The whole stop.
Yes.
Less than 10 pieces.
The funniest part is I tried to eat the leaves, the ginger, and the lemongrass before so many times when I'm eating tom yum soup, and apparently you're not supposed to eat them. I'm enlightened today.
So I'm gonna go with 3 and not cry too much.
All right, so I cut the mushrooms. Now it's time to do the onion. Let's go to the stove.
Then you making tom yum, right?
Yes, I'm gonna make tom yum, and it tastes better when it boils.
Yeah, flavor, more flavorful.
Mushroom and onion now. How much sugar?
Half of tom yum. Just
Half?
a little half. Yes. And you today you're gonna beat Gordon Ramsay next season.
Gordon Ramsay can't cook Thai food like us.
I'm better than Gordon Ramsay right now. It smells so good.
Tasting your Papaya. Sour first. Spicy now. Salty together. And sweet at the end.
I'm just so
Together,
good at
yeah.
this.
Combination tom yum.
All right, now trying Steve's food.
Little spicy kick, little salty enough. Perfect. Yeah.
I feel like he liked yours better.
I think so. Tell the truth, mine was better, right? So can you please grade us out of 10?
10-9.
10-9? Yes!
Nice.
1 point ahead of you, Steve. And the chef said, this is the best tom yum soup I've ever had. Can I share it with my family? I said, sure, of course they have to have a little bit, so they will have the best tom yum ever. Now we're making papaya salad. 2 garlic. Put inside.
And chili over there.
Let's do 4 actually.
Okay, great. Then
and
you
then-
bang, crush it. Yes,
All
crush
right.
it.
It smells so good. Half sugar. Gokchen Steve is in the kitchen, learning Thai food.
And fish sauce, half a spoon. And the
this
next
one?
one, your lime. You take lime, 1 lime.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. And then you mix it.
Mix.
Get you the paste was mixed.
You're gonna continue cooking. I'm gonna go eat.
And the next one, you roll it. 2 times roll.
And my papaya salad is ready already, so I can put mine here. Let me know what you think about your soup.
I like my soup.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Try mine then.
Not so spicy. There it is at the end. But the ginger is like a lot of like very.
What do you grade me out of 10? Be honest.
8. It's a good one. It's nice and spicy.
Okay. Let me try yours then. And I really like coconut soup, so Steve, I give you 10. I really like it. I think Steve was being unfair to me. I think my tom yum soup is amazing and it's 10 out of 10. Right now,
Well-
10 plus 7, 17. You have 17 points from me, and then I have 8 plus 7.5, 15.5. But we have 2 more food to try, and I want Steve to be honest, so let's hope he will be.
I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce on my spring rolls. They may not look pretty, but I did a good job.
You think so?
Yeah.
Chef, we need you to taste it as well.
This one.
Steve's
Spring rolls.
Spring roll.
Yeah.
8.
8? All right. I think he was being very
Yeah,
nice.
but be sweet, nice. Yeah.
I'm gonna be the real judge for you, Steve.
I think you like it.
I do. It really looks terrible from outside. But it tastes really good. How did that happen? I overgraded you for coconut, so realistically it should have been 9, and this is also 9. Now I'm gonna try my own food. This is the papaya salad. I tried to make it spicy. Let's see how it's gonna turn out to be. And I need chef to grade me too after. Now I wanna see what you're gonna think about my own papaya salad.
Got a little tomato, carrot, papaya in here.
Well, it was not a competition when we decided for this cooking class.
It became one. It's delicious. It's fresh. Accounting for the fact that it's a healthy option, I'll give you a 9 as well. That's really good.
We need you to try my salad.
7? Yeah, I'm good if you.
Oh no!
So who making pumpkin coconut?
Yes, that's
Now
me.
you can cut your pumpkin.
And there's coconut milk in it, right?
Yes.
I'm curious what you're gonna think about this one.
This one, right?
Wonderful.
Ah,
Perfect.
perfect.
Nothing more. It's done.
See?
Perfect.
And we're going to make our own curry now.
Yes. A lot of pressure on me to make cow soy correctly because it's actually his favorite curry.
But you're also advantage because he loves it.
Yeah, I knew that obviously coming into this, obviously.
Steve is helping me right now.
Gokche is taking too long.
Thank you for helping me.
Yeah. You can open the cow soy restaurant.
Cow soy restaurant.
Best cow soy here.
Cow soy Steve.
Oh my god, it smells so good. It's gonna
Now
taste.
put the leaves in and
Oh
take
yeah,
it up
leaves
and take
in.
off.
Okay. All of them.
Steve will put your noodles in reheat them.
Green curry with noodles. And the red curry is going to be with rice. I'm gonna try Steve's. I'm gonna be very fair. Don't worry, Steve. You're just good at this. It's mine.
Okay, now I'm gonna try Gokche's. I'll give you a 9.
Ah, close an image. And you're gonna love yours because it's really good.
Of course.
Of course.
It's really good. I think it's a little too watery though. I put a little too, maybe there was a little too much coconut milk in mine.
You think?
Yeah.
Let's try mine first.
Try some beans. Bread. I give you 8.
8?
Okay, 8.
Okay, 8. I know.
Alrighty.
Pickled cabbage. Crispy noodles. How many points you are hitting?
This is your favorite.
It's 9.9.
9.9.
9.9.
9.9.
10. Okay, I give you 10.
10.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Okay.
Gokche is hoping for a big comeback on this dessert right here.
Give me 10, give me 5.
Smooth, yeah, you cook very well. Pumpkin, not too soft.
9.
Nine.
I think I'm losing.
Okay.
It's also nice.
Yes.
9. 9. You
9.
you draw. Sorry, Jen.
Sorry, babe. I win.
Congratulations, you're the winner.
Yes.
Cow
He's the
soy
winner. Cow soy Steve.
Cow soy Steve.
Oh no.
New restaurant coming to Chiang Mai soon. So it's the last round. Gokche needs 3.5 points to make up for this. Otherwise, I'm pulling off the upset.
And we tried this dish before, mango and sticky rice. It was not my favorite, but since apparently Steve is the best chef in the house today, not in our house. Alright, I don't know if I'm eating this right, but I'm not a huge fan of mango, and it's good. I think you did a really good job, but I think this is 6.
6. So this is gonna be pumpkin and coconut dessert. Sweet, sugary, that's the sort of thing because Thai people at the end of the day love a nice sweet treat. Don't we all? Not my favorite dessert ever, but it goes together much better than I thought it was gonna be. But I can only give you an 8. Sorry, baby. Boom.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
I did it. So Gokche's still a little bit upset over losing today, but everything about this experience has been amazing. Taking a cooking class here in Chiang Mai, and in particular with Aromdi, was the perfect way to start our time here in Chiang Mai, and now we can't wait to try even more delicious food, but highly recommend checking out Ake and his family's cooking class, and we'll link that down in the description below. We're gonna leave you off here for the evening, but don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and we'll see you in the morning. All right, so we're gonna start off our day here in Hanoi by doing things right with a Vietnamese style breakfast. They are big into coffee, which we love, as well as we learned that they have banh mi for breakfast. Yeah, those baguette sandwiches that they load up with a whole host of stuff.
Oh my god, it's very flavorish.
So we made it onto the train street.
It's been an adventure. It's extremely crowded here, and getting here is a little bit
Chaotic.
Chaotic, yeah.
That was
crazy. That was legitimately crazy. People were on top of each other, and the train took forever to go through because it was a very long train. And I feel like the people inside of the train were also filming us.